How to use Epic Games Refer a Friend. To use the Epic Games Refer a Friend system, first of all, you have to register on the official dashboard. So go ahead and then open web browser on your mobile device or PC. And then head to the official Fortnite Refer a Friend portal. Once you're there, you simply have to click in the login or sign up button and sign in using your primary Epic Games account credentials. Accept the program's tracking terms and conditions to unlock your live tracking profile. And then proceed to invite your eligible referees. You simply have to send the invite link via any messaging application or mail. Once you do so, you simply have to now accept the request, or the recipient has to accept the request and complete the in-game challenges. And there will also be stages which will give you rewards based on these stages. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.